What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Shiba Inu. We got to go over some technicals for this. I know you all see this triangle. We got to talk about what this means for the price of Shiba Inu. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And the next video I'll be going over will be WeGrow from one of the members. So definitely go ahead and do that. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over Shiba Inu though. So as you can see, Shiba Inu is going through a descending triangle. So typically, descending triangles are usually a bearish signal. So let's just leave it at that. Like it's usually a bearish signal. It is bullish sometimes. And this may look like one of the times that it could be bullish. And let me tell you why this could be a bullish descending triangle. Usually they are bearish, but this could be bullish. Now, it could be a bullish descending triangle because look at this green area. So these are indicators here for TradingView. And what these indicators do, they pretty much show where our supply and demand is. The green areas show supply and demand of more demand, and then the red areas up here show supply and demand of less demand. So whenever we have these green areas, we are inside of heavy demand for Shiba Inu. Whenever we're inside these red areas, we are inside of less demand. And I mean, the green areas are more demand. And then, yeah, the red areas are less demand. So as you can see, we are inside of a more demand area. So we have some demand inside of this area for our supply and demand. It's showing that there's more demand. Now, you'd also see over here, the oscillator is saying the bears are in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. That's just in the last 24 hours. Remember, this is a 4-hour chart. So this is more of a long-term chart when you look at things all the way since back inside of the 21st of May. But I'm kind of zooming in on it so you can see the grand scheme of things of what's pretty much going on inside of Shiba Inu. So this descending triangle, we're at the bottom of it. So what I predict to happen at the end of this descending triangle is something more like this, where we just come right out of the descending triangle onto a negative downtrend, hit the bottom of the supply and demand area, and then just build up huge momentum and literally just skyrocket up to this next area. The next area where we have less demand in Shiba Inu is 0.0001701. So, or about 1700 pretty much. 4Z7 if you want to say 4 zeros and a 7. But yeah, or 4 zeros and a 1. So 0.00017. So this is where we're seeing our next resistance point. So if Shiba Inu were to just hypothetically say break out of this descending triangle into a downtrend, then what you would see is it hitting the support and then having enough momentum to go back up to these highs of 1700. And that's very true for a lot of other cryptos, for Bitcoin as well. So let me go ahead and show you that so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is Bitcoin's 4-hour chart. And if you see, it's kind of in this exact same position as Shiba Inu. So right now, since Bitcoin is looking the same as Shiba Inu, technically, if we were to continue to go down on downtrend, Bitcoin's bottom, where its supply and demand of high demand, is over here at $26,000. I've been talking about $26,000 for a while because this is a pretty significant space inside Shiba Inu. So yeah, Shiba Inu has the potential to pull all the way back to this one, the 0.00009 area, which is 9 zeros and a 9, or not even or, but after we pull back, we could have the possibility to rise all the way up to 1700 if we built enough momentum to do that. So we have the possibility to go up here. Shiba Inu is pretty much what I'm saying. Now, even looking at the 15M chart, if you want to know like the super short term, what's about to happen to Shiba Inu, we are inside this descending triangle and we're at a bad area in it. We're at an area where we're literally at the bottom of the descending triangle. So pretty much what you see with this area, the next area for the Shiba Inu to go is 0.0001019. Right now we're at 0.0001056. So we're just going to be going down a little bit more inside Shiba Inu for right now. But just think after this, that's when the real troubles start to come for sheep. But anyways, sheep only down 1.1% for the day. Hit that refresh button, now 0.1%. So right now, everything's kind of trying to do a recovery in the crypto market. You can see everything's like moving a little bit sideways, really volatile right now. But anyways, we have a new listing. Shout out to Bitstamp. They say you kept telling us to launch it, so here it is. We're listing sheep. Bitstampers can finally join the sheep army. So yeah, now Bitstamp is now accepting sheep, or not even just accepting, but having it on their platforms. That's actually pretty big considering that Bitstamp has a huge platform, like 494K on Twitter. That's pretty big, and original since 10 years. Like that's pretty big in the crypto game, 10 years. And that's like since crypto pretty much started. So yeah, that's huge. But anyways, Moving on from this, we want to talk about this article here from FX Street. Shout out to them for this. But it says volatility is about to strike Shiba Inu price. Traders beware. So it says Shiba Inu price trades in a narrow range today against all previous ranges this week. Shiba price looks for direction as bulls try to refrain from making new lows for the week. Expect a massive big bang in price action as price action gets over compressed. And actually, we're kind of seeing that inside this descending triangle. Like our price action has just been crazy. This is sheep. Look at how volatile this is. Huge pumps followed by huge dumps left and right. The second thing is pretty much happening here inside. The same thing is pretty much happening inside of Bitcoin as well. We're getting these huge sporadic moves inside of Bitcoin. Huge buys followed by huge sales. Huge buys followed by huge sales left and right over and over again. So this is going to lead us to take a big dive to the downside. But then when we hit the downside and we actually hit that support, that will help and build the momentum for the next pump inside of the crypto market. So I think it might be a good thing that we're doing this. But anyways, over here it says sheep price set for a big 60% bang. So yeah, that's 60% that they're predicting. Now I also think it's going to do the same thing. That could bring us all the way up here to 1.7. And that's pretty much what we're all looking out for. This 1.7 area is very significant, and it's really significant for our resistance. But anyways, over here it's a sheep price set for a big 60% increase. Shiba Inu price sees a big trading in the narrowest leeway it has been for several months pretty much. So both buyers and sellers are trading so close to one another that both parties will draw the short end of the straw and be pushed out of their positions. So anyways, this is what we're looking at. Following that logic, sheep price will likely slice like a knife through butter and rally towards at least 0.000014 and then eventually to 1708 if we continue to go up. But if we go down below that 9 area is pretty much what they're saying, then you're going to see sheep drop down to 5Z6, which is 5 zeros and a 6, or this other one at the 1 area, 4Z1. But yeah, we could see either of that happening, but I'm not too worried about it. We have very good support. I mean, if you look at it, we have really good support. So let's just go over to the 4-hour chart one more time. We have really good support in this area, and you can actually see it right here. So really good support inside our supply and demand, lots of demand for sheep at these prices. Hopefully we don't go below this area because then we're going to have a bad time. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. But if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. So I know I see a lot of people asking me to go over certain things in the comments, but right now I'm only really going after all of the members' requests first because I have a lot of requests to fill. So if you want to become a member, definitely go ahead and do that, and I'll go over any crypto you want me to do. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.